So you have a GMC Sierra and your headlights are looking worn or damaged like ours. Do you want a fresh new look? Or maybe you want to upgrade with some performance headlights, and we got plenty of options at 1aauto.com. Let's talk about the best option for you and how you can easily install these yourself. If you're looking for more of an original or a stock looking headlight, you're going to go with something like this. It's going to be crystal clear. It's going to be an upgrade from what you have. For a more aggressive look, you can go with something like this. It's not shiny, it's not chrome, it's blacked out. It's going to give your truck a different look. With this performance headlight, you're going to have some LEDs on the bottom. This white strip is going to light up. It's going to give you that aggressive look because it is black, but it's going to have some modern features. And this one's even shinier than all the other ones, and it's got all those modern features. It's going to make it pop and stand out a lot more. Now let's show you how easy it is to replace these headlights yourself. You're going to have some push pins and some bolts that you're going to need to remove. Under the hood, in front of the grille, you're going to need to remove the shield up top. And then down below, you're going to have to take that fascia off. There's some bolts holding it in the wheel wells, and then clips holding it on. To remove the grille, there's a few bolts at the bottom as well as the top. Once you have the grille out, then you have access to all the bolts that you need for the headlights. Take those out, disconnect them. The installation procedure for all of these headlights is going to be the same. It's not going to make a difference depending on which headlights you buy. You're going to plug in the new headlights, and you're going to bolt it in, install the grille, tighten the bolts down for that. Then you can put the fascia on, put the cover on top, push the push pins back in. Then you're going to align the headlights and you're good to go. It's that easy. Which ones do you think we chose? We ended up going with the performance black ones with the LEDs. We think these look the best. You should get these at 1aauto.com, but if you disagree, what would you choose? Leave a comment below.